What's up, you guys? It's Shay. Welcome to or back to my channel. It's been a really long time, and I'm going to explain all of that stuff in another video. But for today's video, I'm doing an unboxing video. Basically, I just got like this stuff in the mail, and I was like, why don't I just open it on camera? I don't know. This video is probably gonna be pretty short. I have to go watch a horror movie with my sister, so I have to make this quick. Let's just get straight into this video before I ramble off too much. In the first box, I'm going to make sure my address doesn't show because I don't want any stalkers. So this one, I got these all off Amazon. My mom kind of already opened it a little bit, but I closed it up so I could like do it on camera. That's okay. Just gotta do it for the tube. Wow. This is a really big box for just a pop socket. So this is the pop socket. It is going to go to my case that I hopefully is here. My case that I have on my phone right now is breaking, and the pop socket came off. Next one, we're going to do this one. I'm struggling to open this box. Oh, here we go. The first thing is a tripod. Yeah. This YouTuber, yo. So these have like the little the little movable parts so that I can record better and have better content. So then next we have this little thing that I think screws onto the top. I have no idea. So now I can just place my camera. And then the last thing that comes in there is a little tiny piece of paper with directions and parts. And then the most important part, at the store. I have to drive like an hour away just to go to like Walmart. There we go. On. Okay, so it's blinking. I don't know if I'm supposed to connect it with Bluetooth. I don't know. Well, that's nice. Oh, and I broke it. Of course, in this video, Shay would break something. It's gotta happen. Okay, I'll figure that out later. On to the next package, which is this one. I really hope that wasn't there the whole time. Can we just ignore the fact that maybe parts of my room were showing? Subscribe! I probably just lost like 30 subscribers. That's okay though. Can't open this! Oh, and here's my charger. So I tried out the charger and it doesn't work. I recommend not buying that charger on Amazon just because it doesn't work, and honestly I had to think about it, and but the little charger piece is magnetic, so it's hard, how can it charge through the magnet? Whatever, I'm just saying that it doesn't work, so yeah. So apparently the case hasn't come, or maybe my mom has it downstairs. So here's the little iPhone pieces, and then, oh okay, I'm just dumb. So you can take off the Android part and then put on the iPhone. That's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. My case came in, but not my pop socket, so yeah, I'm waiting for that. Now, I have a video that's coming out soon that's going to be talking about why I moved, why I stopped YouTube, where I live, things like that. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm kind of just not feeling it today. I was just I really think that you guys deserve to have a video, so I was like, I need to record something, so here you guys are. I started a new channel with my sister, and that link will be down in the description, so please go and subscribe, where we are going to start posting videos and stuff, and it's going to be so fun in there. Yeah, it's going to be so much fun. We have so much in store for you guys, so go ahead and click that link down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. On to the bloopers. Do I have to be a beauty guru? It's not working. I I've literally been waiting to be on YouTube again, and I don't even know how to do my own intro again. And my eyebrows are like, you can't even see them. I don't wear makeup, guys. I apologize. My content, it's just...